Hello, and welcome back to a new episode of the AUIS Podcast. Today's episode will be about the Dentistry College here at the university. And for this, we have brought to you Dr. Tara Ali. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you.
Doctor, we'd like to start today's program by giving us a self-introduction of yourself.
Okay. Thank you to brought me for this interview. I am a Dr. Tara, an assistant prof and the interim dean of the College of Dentistry at AUIS.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Ahmed.
Nice to meet you both.
So we want to start with the question, can you describe what is College of Dentistry in our university?
Okay, well, College of Dentistry at AUIS, it's a new college. We started our first cohort in spring 2023, and it is a new educational program that help the graduate student to be more strong in theory and all the practical and clinical practices.
What is the curriculum structure?
Okay, the curriculum developed by international professionals in the field, which composed of the core subjects of the AUIS and the major with the foundational subjects.
Mm-hmm. So can you tell us who is eligible for this major?
Any student graduated from the high school can apply for College of Dentistry if they like to be a dentist in the future, because after graduation they got a degree of BDS, which is a bachelor's degree in dental surgery, and they can be a good dentist for the community.
Mm-hmm. What job opportunities do AUIS dentistry graduates have?
After graduation from the college, they can practice in the hospitals, and at the beginning under the supervisor of another dentist, and then after that in the private clinics or dental centers. With the experience, they can also open their own private clinic.
So can you tell us about the winter and summer classes?
For now, we have winter classes. For the summer, only for the core subjects, which support them to be more concentrated on the dental and foundational subjects or the basic major subjects in the winter, so they can have courses in the core subjects for the summer.
Mm-hmm. So they can take summer courses?
Yes, for now, but in the future, also after the sixth semester, they have summer training courses in the hospitals and dental clinics, and already they have a summer training or summer course after the eighth semesters in the dental clinics.
So what about the minor? So can't they take one?
For now, we have no minor subjects. Only we concentrated on the major subjects with the core subjects.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Does that mean students cannot take electives as well?
No, because the program is very crowded and also too much major with the foundation, with the core subjects. So we want them to concentrate on the dentistry program as well.
Mm-hmm. So one more question, how many semesters will take for a student to graduate? How many years it will take?
This is a good question, because everyone want to know how many courses. We provide 10 courses or 10 semesters, totally 5 years program.
That is including the summer courses as well?
Summer courses, yeah. It will be a transition between the courses in the summer. So it's not included in the numbering. It's a continuation, because the dental students in College of Dentistry should continue from the after the 8th semester to the 9th to be as a stagiaire students in our new dental clinics. That's for AUIS.
What about the core classes? Are they different from the other AUIS departments?
No, they have the same core subjects, but we did something that helped them to, we specified some of the core subjects to be related to the dentistry program. So we did some modification to be more interested and more useful for their program.
Can you give us an example of this modification?
Most of the core subjects, same as the AUIS, but some of them we modified them to be related more to the dentistry program. For example, modern dental profession, and we have also another subject that talk about the history of dentistry and instead of the civilization, which is one of the core subjects of AUIS.
So it will be very helpful for them because they know the history and the modern.
Yeah, of course. I'm more interested and as a support for them.
So one more question, what's the way of teaching this class and the structure of the classes?
In College of Dentistry at AUIS, we have a number of specialized local and international instructors that help the students and support them in every steps of their training. And also we insisted to have a concentrated preclinical practice that support them in the future to be a good dental practitioner who work on the patient, because at the end they deal with the patient, not any other subject.
So we understood that we have practical and theoretical classes in dentistry. So what's the structure of the practical classes and how you are trying to teach the students?
Okay. In the College of Dentistry at AUIS, there are a number of new labs for daily practice of our students that equate with the high state-of-the-art equipment. And we insisted to incorporate the AI and the new technological method. And also within our curriculum, we insisted to have digital dentistry, for example, and anything related to the technology to prepare our students to be more familiar with the world's new dental brands.
Yeah, I think it's very important because, as we know, AI is very developed right now.
Of course. They should know about it. And we have a lot of equipment in our labs that based on that.
So how is the AI implemented in the dentistry program?
We planned to add the robotic equipment to our lab for the preclinical practice, and also the three-dimensional devices for the diagnosis and treatment plan for the patients. Even though for the prosthesis construction, we also plan to have a modern lab for doing the laboratory work.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Our last question for the day is, Doctor, who is eligible to enroll in this dentistry program at the AUIS?
Okay, we welcome everyone who have the criteria for accepting in the College of Dentistry, because I know the ministry have a limitation for a degree, but we don't know till now. And anyone who like to join us in the College of Dentistry, they can join and contact the admission and registration department in the AUIS.
Thank you a lot, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your kind presentation.
It's our pleasure.
Thank you.
We're grateful for your presence here today.
Thank you.
This was everything about the Dentistry College at AUIS. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.